What is up, man? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin on how to teach women how to feel about you. So, sa mga bago sa channel ko, I'm Joms and I'm uploading videos about dating and relationships, mainly about polarity. Polarity meaning the natural attraction between the masculine and the feminine. So, if you want to attract a feminine woman, yung loyal, submissive, supportive, then you want to be more masculine. And sakto, andun din ako sa journey na yon. I'm in my journey on achieving my best masculine version kasi dati akong torpe, dati akong nice guy, dati akong emasculated guy. So, if you want to achieve your best masculine version also, then sabay tayo, you might want to like, comment, and subscribe dito sa channel ko kasi almost daily and weekly nag-upload ako ng videos talking about how to be more masculine pagdating sa dating and relationships nyo. Kasi sinishare ko lang din dito kung ano yung mga na-experience ko at mga natututunan ko rin as my life goes by. So, balik tayo sa video na to. So, gusto ko simulan tong video na to na huwag kang aasa na makikita agad ng babae yung worth mo. Okay? Na you must proactively teach women how to feel about you rather than leaving it to them. Na huwag mong iaasa sa kanya na makita niya yung worth or yung value mo. Okay? Again, you want to influence her, you want to lead her on thinking what kind of man are you. Okay? Hindi mo ano yun eh. Hindi yun matic na kapag nakita kanya ay ito siya. Okay? Hindi yun matic na makikita kanya na provider ka. No, hindi ganoon 'yon. You should not leave it to chance or you should not leave it to them. Okay? Kaya hindi magagana yung pagiging play safe mo pagdating sa babae, hindi rin gagana yung hindi pag-initiate mo. Alam mo yun, yung pag play safe ka kasi hindi ka nag-initiate ng interaction na inaantay mo na lang siya yung mag-escalate ng things, inaantay mo siya yung umamin sa'yo, inaantay mo siya yung mag-make ng move sa'yo. So, hindi rin gagana yung pagiging performative mo. Kaya hindi gumagana yung ligaw, yung traditional ligaw traditional ligaw is very performative kasi na, alam mo yun, nung bigay ng kung ano para makuha mo siya, na best foot forward ka, na akala mo sobrang nice mo, na alam mo yun, very performative yung ligaw. And also, hindi rin gagana yung pagiging nice guy mo. Okay? So, with your early interactions with women, again, if nasa dating ka pa lang ha, with your early interactions with them, ang primary task mo is to educate her on your value at bakit ikaw yung best option niya. Now, here's the thing. You can only do this one, okay? By making her feel that you are the best option. Again, keyword, making her feel. Okay? Hindi mo to magagawa logically. Making her think. Okay? Making her feel. Okay? Emotions. Again, women are emotional creatures. Mas loyal sila sa emotions nila kaysa sa logical thinking nila. Okay? Emotions first before logical sila. Okay? Emotions first before logical. Primary is emotions, secondary ang logical. Okay? So you want to make her feel that you are the best option first. Okay? Kumbaga, isipin mo na para kang cellphone. Okay? Para kang cellphone. Ikaw, para kang cellphone, wala silang pake sa specs mo, sa specifications mo. Wala silang pake sa RAM mo, wala silang pake kung gaano kalaki yung memory mo, wala silang pake kung gaano kaganda yung display mo. Okay? May paki sila on how you make them feel. Kaya kung iisipin nyo, kung papansin nyo, mas maraming babae ang bumibili ng iPhone kahit na logically speaking, mas maganda yung specifications ng Android. Diba? Totoo naman na parang mas advanced pa yung Android, yung mga specification ng Android kaysa sa iPhone. Yung iPhone, kahit sobrang mahal, parang behind siya sa specifications. Okay? So, bakit nangyayari yun? Kasi, mas napapa-feel ng iPhone na premium, high status, or more attention ang mabibigay nito sa kanila. It makes them feel that way. It makes them feel more superior or more validated. Ganyan. So, pagdating ngayon sa dating and relationships, isipin mo na ikaw mismo ang produkto. Okay? Your marketing is how you present yourself and your behaviors around women. So, walang bibili sa'yo kung hindi mo na ma-market ng maigi yung produkto mo. Kahit gaano pa kaganda yung specifications ng produkto mo, o yung ikaw, kahit gaano pa kaganda yung specifications mo, logically speaking, walang bibili sa'yo kung pangit ang marketing mo. At merong nabubudol ng pangit na product dahil maganda ang marketing nito. So, nakikita nyo ba kung saan papunta? Nakikita nyo ba yung logic ng analogy? So, walang bibili ng product kung pangit ang marketing kahit gaano pa kaganda yung product. At merong bibili ng pangit na product dahil maganda ang naging marketing. So, therefore, marketing is the one that makes them buy or choose the product. Product quality naman is what makes them stay. So, ibig sabihin, your marketing, your personal marketing, yan, yung marketing, yung paano mo minamarket yung sarili mo inside the sexual marketplace will dictate if women will choose you or not. Your product quality, however, ito yung specs mo, yung specification mo sa sarili mo, ito yung kung meron ka bang kung ano talaga yung tunay na ikaw, o yung produkto mo, ikaw, yung character mo mismo, yung quality, yung value mo, worth mo, is what makes them stay. Kaya pagdating sa sexual marketplace, the one who market himself as the best option, siya yung pinipili ng babae regardless kung maganda ba yung specs niya or hindi. So, kung gusto mo maraming pumili sa'yo, dapat maganda ang marketing mo. At kung gusto mo maraming magstay sa'yo, gandahan mo yung product mo. So, pagdating sa dating and relationships, when it comes to the sexual marketplace, kailangan piliin ka muna ng babae bago mo siya ma-influence magstay sa'yo. So, marketing first muna talaga when it comes to dealing with women. Okay? Kaya hindi mo gagana yung magiging gentleman ka muna sa una. Kaya hindi gagana yung ligaw na magpo-provide ka muna sa una. So, what you want is to attract them first. Okay? Make them choose you first before ka magiging gentleman. Attract first, be a gentleman second. Okay? So, kailangan piliin ka muna ng babae. Joms, paano ko ba mapapaganda yung marketing ko inside the sexual marketplace para marami yung pumili sa akin? So, ang pinaka-primary dito is galingan mo kung paano mo dalhin yung sarili mo. Yan ang main. Okay? Because first impressions are very important. That's how you market yourself. The way you present yourself. Kung paano mo dalhin yung sarili mo. You need to show that you are confident on your own skin. Yan yung pinaka-sauce niyan. Ang pinaka-sekreto is you need to show that you are confident, very confident on your own skin. Again, sa marketing, pagdating sa marketing, hindi importante ang specs. Meaning, hindi importante kung 6 foot tall ka, kung matangos ba ang ilong mo, kung may 1M ka sa bangko, o kung may kotse ka. Those are logical specifications. Those are written, okay? Yung mga logical, yung mga, yan. What you want to focus on is how you can make a woman feel about you. Doon ka mag-focus kung ano yung nararamdaman niya kapag kasama ka niya, ano yung nararamdaman niya kapag kausap ka niya, anong nararamdaman niya kapag nakikita ka niya. So, you must communicate that your specific traits are desirable and good. Okay? Wala kang obligasyon. You have absolutely no obligation to help a woman reject you or arrive at negative conclusions about your value inside the sexual marketplace. Kaya importante na hindi ka sad boy dito, na hindi ka yung ito lang kasi ako ito lang yung mga kaya kong ibigay. Na wala kang victim mentality, na wala kang form of insecurity about yourself. Because again, You want to make her feel that you are the best option. You are the best out of the best option out of a lot of men out there. Kasi sobrang dami nga nila di ba? Sobrang dami nilang options. Women have many options. Kung makikita mo yung DMs, makikita mo yung inbox nila, ang dami na kausap na lalaki. So, how can you make them feel, okay, na you are the best option compared sa competition? Alright? So, that's why you need to believe that you are the best man out there. That is the power of total self-belief. Ang tawag ko doon is total self-belief. Okay? So when it comes to relationships, hindi lang sa babae, okay? This is very essential na magkaroon ka ng total self-belief kasi this will show sa non-verbal communications mo. The way you present yourself, tone of voice, eye contact, body language, and behavior sa mga babae. AKA, yung lakas ng dating mo. Di ba pag sinabing lakas ng dating, hindi pa nagsasalita, ramdam mo na yung charisma, ramdam mo na yung aura. Yun yung lakas ng dating. So with total self-belief, mare-reflect mo yon sa non-verbal communication mo, sa lakas ng dating mo. So that's why ikaw dapat ang pinakapoging lalaki sa mundo mo. Wala kang pake kila James Reid, wala kang pake kila Daniel Padilla, wala kang pake sa akin. Ikaw dapat ang pinakagwapo sa mundo mo, inside your head. Ikaw dapat ang pinakagwapo, pinakapoging lalaki sa mundo mo. Okay? Wala kang pake sa sinasabi ng iba. Also, it is very important to accept na hindi lahat ng babae ay gusto at type ka. Okay, tanungin ba kita, lahat ba ng babae type mo? Di naman, di ba? Kahit mga babae, may mga type din yan. Okay? You need to accept na hindi lahat ng babae ay gusto o type ka. Pero, kung malakas yung marketing mo, okay, malakas kung paano mo dalhin yung sarili mo, yung lakas ng dating mo. You only need a small percentage of the population to be interested in you to be successful inside the dating marketplace, inside the sexual marketplace. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan akitin o hindi mo kailangan magustuhan ka ng lahat ng babae. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan i-attract lahat ng customers. Okay? You only need a small percentage of women to be interested in you. So that's why accept the fact na hindi lahat ng babae ay gusto ka o type ka. So you want to focus on women that are interested in you, in your product. Okay? Kaya focus ka lang, ito again, ulitin ko, kaya focus ka lang sa mga customers, babae, na nagpapakita ng interest sa produkto, ikaw. Okay? So, to end this video, pagdating sa dating and relationship, isipin mo lang palagi na nasa sales ka. Sales and marketing ka. You are the salesman of your own product in which yourself. Inside the sexual marketplace, you are the salesman of your own product in which yourself. Your confidence is not based on having the perfect product. Hindi mo kailangan maging perfect na lalaki. Okay? But your ability to convince the customer or women that your specific features are exactly what they need. Again, your confidence is not based on having the perfect body, the perfect money, the perfect face structure. But your confidence is tied in your ability to convince women that your specific features are exactly what they need. So, ang kagandahan pa nito, directly proportional ang self-belief sa exercises na ginagawa mo to improve your product quality or to improve yourself. Okay? So, yung mga exercises na ginagawa mo to improve yourself will actually improve your self-belief. So, ang pinakamaganda dito, before mo pa makuha yung bagay na gusto mo, you act like you already have it. Kung gusto mo ng magandang katawan, if na-insecure ka sa katawan mo, then you want to start working out and act as if maganda na yung katawan mo. If na-insecure ka sa pera mo, then do the actions in order for you to increase your income and act as if you're already a millionaire. Isipin mo, paano ba ako gumagalaw kapag milyonaryo na ako? Ano ba ginagawa ko sa pera ko kapag milyonaryo na ako? Paano ako nakikipag-usap kapag milyonaryo na ako? You need to believe that you already have it. Para hindi maging delusional is you need to take action. You need to ground it by taking action. So that's how you improve, or how will you have that 100% self-belief, that confidence in yourself. So yun lang. So kung gusto mo pang malaman, so kung interesado ka sa mga programs ko, sakto meron akong mega bundle sale na ginaganap this holidays. So hanggang January 1 lang to. Lahat ng if you're a guy na gustong maging confident at maging masculine at magkaroon ng loyal, loving woman this 2026, then you might want to check yung mega bundle sale ko. Lahat na ng product ko na tungkol sa dating and masculinity ay makukuha mo na sa bundle na yan, as in lahat for a very, very low price. So kung interesado ka, then you might want to check the description box, andyan yung link, mega bundle sale, or nasa pin comments nandyan, mega bundle sale. So if you want to watch more videos, ito, may suggestion dito sa YouTube. Ibig sabihin, ginamit niya yung algorithm niya to check kung ano yung mga pinapanood mo before. Then sa tingin niya, itong video na to yung makakatulong sa'yo. So yun lang. Hopefully to see you on the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!